Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a really cool topic: how to use your digital camera as a webcam for better video quality in your online meetings, streaming, or content creation. If you've ever wondered how to step up your video game, this is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Check compatibility. First things first, ensure that your digital camera supports USB video output or has a clean HDMI output. This will make it compatible with your computer for use as a webcam. Step 2. Gather your equipment. You'll need a USB cable or an HDMI cable depending on your camera's output, and make sure you have the necessary adapters if required. Also, have your camera fully charged or connected to a power source. Step 3. Install necessary software. If your camera didn't come with webcam software, you might need to download and install specific drivers or software from the manufacturer's website. This software helps your computer recognize the camera as a webcam. Step 4. Connect your camera. Connect your digital camera to your computer using the USB or HDMI cable. Ensure it's securely plugged in and powered on. Step 5. Set up your camera. On your camera, navigate to the settings menu and look for options related to video output. Choose the setting that allows your camera to output video for use as a webcam. This might be labeled as PC or webcam mode. Step 6. Configure software settings. Open your preferred video conferencing or streaming software like Zoom, OBS Studio, or Skype. Go to the Settings or Preferences section and select your digital camera from the list of available webcams. Step 7. Adjust settings and test. Once selected, adjust the video resolution, frame rate, and other settings in your software to optimize video quality. Test your setup by starting a video call or streaming session to ensure everything is working smoothly. Step 8. Tips for better quality. Position your camera at eye level and in a well-lit area for the best video quality. Consider using a tripod or camera mount for stability and convenience. Conclusion. And there you have it. Now you know how to use your digital camera as a webcam to enhance your video calls, streams, and content creation. Enjoy your upgraded video experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.